Hi guys, good morning. So now it's 2:30 in the morning. And then we're gonna go straight to the airport because we're going to Osaka! So nakapaglinis na kami ng house. And then ito yung maghahatid sa amin sa airport. Ano? Tara na. Hindi ka na? Oy, tama na trabaho. Holiday time na!
Hindi na na.
Oh my God. Nakapang kami. Ito na yung gamit namin. Ayan lang yung dala ni Baba. That bag.
Pinaka-minimalist ko ever in my life.
Minimalist now. Coming back in then. And then, ako, ito yung dala ko. Isang backpack. Tapos isang, like, personal bag. And that was it. Let's go to Osaka!
Ano yun?
Started na ako sa Japan.
Saan kayo pupunta, Jay?
Japan, Osaka. Osaka, Japan.
Excited na ako sa 3-month-long holiday na.
Wow, feeling. Feeling ka naman. Way. 5 days lang. Punta na Osaka. Ay, makapasabay po dyan. It's been a while. What? I can't remember the last time. Though we've been sa New Zealand. Pero kasi, hindi ko na-count yung New Zealand as a holiday. Kasi I feel like it's just coming back
Family.
home and friends and family.
That's true. Hawaii yung last
Yeah.
one. Tagal na. Last year na.
Leave all baggage on board.
Going to downtown. Finally here.
Ramen, here we come.
Day ramen here ka. Ano ka sa pila? Tom ka na? Nakarating din. First meal. First meal na?
Of the day. Hindi, joke.
We did?
Hindi, nagano tayo. Nag-KFC tayo.
This is Osaka. Ayan, ako sa akin may egg. Pero parang sa akin bigyan mo lang. Ang gata ng laki. Yes. First Japanese food. So big. Ha? Ang laki. Oh my God. So as big as your face lang. Hi guys. So, ulit kami sa hotel. Naka-check-in na kami. Nag-ayos-ayos na kami. Magsisettle na kami ng gamit. Tapos mag-wash na before we sleep. But, that's it for now. Wait lang. Nakapagawad ko. Grabe siya. Mga pa siya sa Japan. Okay. Bye. Tomorrow na lang ulit.